Yeah, bitch. Look, quap in this bitch. You don't give a fuck. Fuck you talking about, bitch. Smack that hoe, bitch. Yeah, smack that hoe, made her ass walk home. You heard me, bitch? I'm cut, bitch. Bitch. I'm fucking like that, nigga. I don't give a fuck about. I don't give a fuck about no. I don't give a fuck about no bitch. Fuck that hoe, she can suck my dick. All my ops pussy and shit. Yeah, they talking about he bout that fucking Drake talk. I hit him with this bitch and make his face talk. Hit her with the meat, now she can't walk. I'm in the scat ducking feds, it's a stoley. Had to cut that little bitch off cause she was tryna fuck the Brody. Like, bitch, get the fuck out my way, you holding me back. Caught that nigga, hit him with the chop, now he got a bad back. I just hit a lick on my op, told him come and get his bad back. Fuck nigga ain't got no aim, he hit me in my shoulder. My heart got stepped on, now my soul colder. I'm in this bitch hot as fuck, like a whip with no AC. I just pulled up some lean and some high C. Cut that little bitch off cause I was locked up and she ain't right me. Pussy nigga soft as fuck, but he said he wanna fight me. Want that fucking gangster shit, I ain't no internet typer. If I see my op with a stick, then I'm turning into swiper. Finna wipe the block down like a window wiper. Bitch, I'm a fucking superhero, but I'm not finna save no hoe. On the interstate hitting 85 in the Stolo. Nigga tell me he bout that fucking Drake talk. Till I hit him with this bitch and make his face talk. Stop and make a pussy nigga can't walk. Pulled up, hop out, windows tinted. That boy talking gangster in his block, I'm finna spin it. Bought my green like Popeye, I'm getting spinach. Hit that bitch out the scat cause she smell like some fish. That boy said he more gangster than me, I said, nigga, you wish. Nigga, that chain fake as fuck, you bought that shit on Wish. Caught that boy who talking and I made him rest in piss. Spit on a pussy nigga block cause he made a diss. Like, why the fuck you made that diss track? Now your brother tryna spin on me cause your ass in a pack. Just made 100 racks on the band god. Hit the hoe from the back, make that pussy throb. And show your ass how to get a bag with no job. I'm in the lab cooking up dope like I'm Walter. Kick that bitch out the scat cause she started acting stupid off the liquor. This bitch got a bald head pussy, I might lick her. That little bitch sucked me up like a dum-dum. Pulled up on the op with a big drum. I told y'all this little quap in this bitch, I don't give a fuck, you heard me? Bitch, you already know I'm straight out that nose.